All right, guys, you know exactly what time it is. It has been 567 days since Apple has released the new iPad Pro. Well, today we are taking a look at the brand new Apple iPad Pro 13-inch in black. Now, this is the 512 gigabyte model. I really wanted to get that nano texture display, but you had to get a terabyte or 2 terabytes. And to be honest, I really don't need that storage, nor did I really want to go and spend all that money on just the iPad. Now, I do also have the Magic Keyboard and the new Apple Pencil Pro, but that'll be in another video. So let's go ahead and take a look at the iPad itself. Now, I have yet to open it. If you guys see that right there, I do have the still pull tabs right there. So it is the 512 gigabyte iPad Pro 13-inch M4 with Wi-Fi. Now, I did not get the cellular version. So enough talking, let's go ahead and open it up. So let's take a look here. Nice and satisfying pull from Apple right there. And this side as well. Let me see here. Pull that up. Nice. All right, let's open it up. First impressions, I haven't watched any reviews, any videos, or anything. So let's go ahead and take it out. Now, we'll set the iPad off to the side for right now. Let's see what's in the box. So starting off, oh wow, we get a black braided cable. That's a little spoiler alert for even for myself right there. But starting out, one thing you are missing is those Apple stickers. We do not get those. Now, me personally, I never really use those, but if you are interested in those, you don't get them anymore. Now here we do get a 20 watt USB Type-C charging brick. Still kind of surprised that comes with the iPad, to be honest with you. And we have our black braided cable. Now this looks really, really nice. Look at that. Braided, black, goes really well with the iPad. We just need that black brick now, but you know, Apple, they're never gonna give us that. But you know, this looks really nice. I'm actually really excited to check out that cable, but I'm the type of person who leaves those original cables in the box until you really need it. So anyways, enough talking. Let's set that to the side and take a look at this iPad. So let's go ahead and pop this open here. Very nice opening presentation. And guys, this thing is insanely thin. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is crazy. Let me actually bring out my black titanium 15 Pro Max here. I'm going to take out this case and let's just compare these two side by side. I mean, look at that. The iPhone is thicker than the iPad. That's insane. That is absolutely crazy. And I'm really excited about this. So this is the 13-inch iPad Pro. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Take a look at that display for the first time. While that turns on, you do have your Face ID and sensors up here now instead of on the top, which is a very, very welcome change. Let's take a look around the sides of it. Now, here is the top. You do have your 2 speaker ports right there, and I still can't get over how thin this is. It almost feels like it's not even real. Like an Apple TV remote that's that big is thicker than this iPad that's almost the size of a computer. That is the size of some computers, which is insane to me. But anyways, we do get that on-off button right there. You have your speaker ports, a microphone here. On the left-hand side, it is completely closed in. On the bottom, we have 2 more speaker ports and our USB Type-C port right there. And on the right-hand side, you do have where it magnetizes to the Apple Pencil, as well as your volume up and down buttons and another microphone right here. So that's crazy. And let's take a look at this display. So let's go ahead and open that up. Wow. That looks really nice. Now, I know I haven't set this up or anything yet, but me personally, just looking at this, this is beautiful. I am really, really excited to get into this, and I absolutely cannot wait. Now, of course, the back of this is going to be a fingerprint magnet. That's kind of what you get with this beautiful finish on the back. Here you do have your camera lens with some sensors and things like that. Now, Apple did take away one of the cameras, which I'm not too happy about, but let's be honest, who's really going out there taking pictures like this with this big old thing? Nobody's doing that. I mean, I guess maybe a few people take a couple pictures here and there with it. Not too much. At least I didn't. Get your Apple logo here, your little connector pins, iPad Pro, and this thing it's shockingly thin. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen this in the store or not, but it's absolutely mind-blowing how thin this is. And based on what I've heard, this thing is crazy powerful. But Make sure you guys tune in for a lot more videos on the iPad Pro. I'm getting a bunch of accessories. I already have a bunch of cases laying right over there. I have screen protectors, cases, we got the Magic Keyboard, the Apple Pencil Pro, and let me know down in the comments below what kind of accessories you guys want to see for the iPad Pro. I'm trying to cover as many accessories as I possibly can. But with all that being said, guys, this is just a quick unboxing and first impressions of the physical iPad Pro. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and stay tuned to a lot more accessory videos for the iPad Pro.